Hawaii is a place of peace, a place of connection with the earth, a place of beauty, a place of power. Of hula, the magic, the power of lomi lomi healing, the use of plants and herbs to heal almost any ailment, the connection with nature and the religion of caring for the land and the land caring for you. At a time when the world is at war, this message of peace and beauty and natural understanding can be a lesson that the world very much needs, the lesson of aloha. This is an opportunity for Polynesian culture to show the beauty, the power, and the wisdom of our connection with nature. Living in peace and harmony with the land allows us to be in peace and balance with each other. This is what the world needs now. This is a lesson for the world. Care for nature will care for you. To show how people, through whatever conflict, can come together with unconditional love. That we are not above nature, we are only part of nature. These are the lessons the gods of Hawaiian culture and Polynesian culture give us, the world. Gravely needs now at a time when the tribes are at war. Make ke aloha ke apua.